everything crimped on. Now it's gotta heat shrink it. So let me do that. Now the lighter's getting hot. Let's get it torch and I'm gonna burn my lighter up. But here to get about to get to. I will have to tape it up too. So, but there it is. There's not much anyways. Heat shrink on there. Not tight. There's no a little loose there, but you know, you can't do much when you don't want to burn the other wires. Alright. Now I'm gonna have to do this side same way. So this time I'll get back to you. I have to correct myself again, y'all. That's the one it's supposed to be. I was trying to put a mail in it. I think I just need to take a break. Can't send them back now. I'm gonna use a couple. Not very much for those. But these here. Now if you look right here, the original. If I can get it there. Yeah, you smash them down. Alright, we'll be back. So here's what I've been doing today. I mean, it took me this long just to do it. I mean, it was pretty challenging. Back there, I still ain't got a heat shrink and all that good stuff. Heat shrink it and tape it and everything. Make sure it stays, not get anywhere. Alright, did that. Had to thunder. I had did all this. See the heat shrink one to remake? That's the wire I had replaced. The yellow one. And the white one is the one I had fixed. I don't know if you can see it, but the connector's all in there. All lined up. And here's the test. So y'all ready for this? I know it don't mean anything, but there's a green light. How light works. Like I said, gotta get some better ones. Let's give you a little bit of eye with it. There it is. Low. High. Okay. Light's brighter than ever. Used to be real dim. So now I'm gonna do this battery. I don't want nothing going dead on me. I didn't get to do much video recording today. We done this. All the dogs here looking at me. Been busy. It's been raining. I mean, it's been pouring rain here, and but I will have this back together. And I will have running. Might be a little while, but that's burning trash. Yeah. It's all tied in together, so I don't think. I mean, long as it, that's how it's supposed to went. You see this crazy crap here that they had. I don't know who did that. Should have got the factory and leave it like that. It's beautiful. But it's back there. It runs. Those two connected together, so everything's connected together. See. Now, guess we'll just call it quits for now. The bug eating up again. Rain, these dogs don't help either. And I also have a lid up there. That's just on the battery. That's all I gotta do. What is going on over here? Star, what are you doing? Stop. Hey, quit chewing on stuff. He said she's still a pup. That's a new addition to the family. But that's all I got for now. I guess I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Alright guys. I'm back again. Got all that done. I only took this off. Redone this. I'm gonna still got this, finish this wire. This is where I place it. I gotta finish heat shrinking this. I might just get that heat shrinking that, take that up. Got done doing this. This is for the lights and all that good stuff. So I'll start like this one and this one, and then the wiring will be done. So I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna roll me a cigarette because I ain't had one in over an hour. I'll be here an hour. Better finish that up. But it's coming along slowly, but it's coming along. I will have it sometime today. If not today, I will have it tomorrow. I just get it running. I know I ain't changed the oil in it yet. When I get it running down, I'm gonna take a little test drive up the road in the back. I ain't gonna go too far. I don't wanna burn that up, burn my engine up. So I have to get that little small oil leak fixed, but cause it's got oil in it, real dirty. But I'm gonna try that out later and see what happens. I put all this thing back together when I get back. After I get this last 2 wire here finished. I got it there, so I think I'll tape that up a little bit better. But that's all I like for now. Well, everybody, I got it all taped up finally.
I put gas car on Mark.
Huh?
I put gas car on Mark. Take my drug test. Hi, everybody. My brother's working on his full right here.
Yeah.
He's doing a pretty damn good job at it.
Now it does come on. I didn't show Dad yesterday.
I just want to hop my ass back on a lawnmower in a minute and finish trying to do some yard work.
Let's see. I got all it taped up, everybody. Finally. It's all butt connected. It's all butt connected. It's all heat shrink wire. It does work. I done showed you that on the other video yesterday. Now, next thing I gotta do, see all this wire here? All that's gotta be took apart and rewired also with that copper wire. Cause that wire there, it came from my air conditioner. I'll show you what kind of wire it was. If I can find any over here, any pieces. Yeah, it came from an old washing machine or a dryer. Or I know it came from air conditioner. So my buddy right there. Alright. So now, time to take this off. All them wires. All those wires and retape them and redo everything. Heat shrink, all that good stuff. So we'll shall return. Alright, everybody, I got all that done finally. Now, like that, I'm gonna put back together, get everything put together. Now I'm gonna take a little screw on it up the road and back. I'll take y'all with me. Let you see how everything's going. Join me back.